You searched how to buy shares of Moulinvest SA. Moulinvest is an industrial manufacturing company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALMOU.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account. Verification typically requires an identity document, and you must add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box to enter the ticker ALMOU.PA and locate the correct Moulinvest share in the results. Confirm the listing matches the company name before proceeding. On the asset page, check the basic company information and review the price chart to understand recent movement. Make sure the page shows Moulinvest SA and the ALMOU.PA ticker to confirm it is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next trading session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or scheduled. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.